Hello, and welcome to another exciting movie on our station. In today's movie, we'll look at the top 10 benefits of eating black seeds every day. Black seeds have been praised for their amazing health benefits for hundreds of years, but many of you may not know this. Yes, black seeds are not only a tasty spice, but they are also a powerhouse of nutrients that can help your health in many ways. So, if you want to know what these little seeds can do for you, sit tight and grab a snack because you won't want to miss this. Makes you healthier. Black seeds are known to have strong effects on the immune system, on inflammation, and as antioxidants. Because of these qualities, they are very good at boosting your immune system and keeping your body safe from diseases and infections. In fact, study has shown that eating black seeds every day can cause the body to make a lot more defense cells. Get rid of colds, flu, and other nasty illnesses for good. Helps with digestion. If you're having trouble with your stomach, pay attention. Black seeds have the fatty acids, fiber, and vitamins that your body needs to digest food well. If you eat them every day, you can avoid nausea, bloating, and other stomach problems. Plus, the fiber in black seeds makes you feel full longer, which helps you keep a healthy weight. Helps keep skin healthy. Who doesn't love skin that glows and is healthy?
Black seeds are full of the vitamins A, B, and C that your skin needs to stay healthy.
They stop wrinkles and fine lines from showing up and help clear up acne and other skin problems. If you eat black seeds every day, you can easily get that bright, young glow you've always wanted. Cuts down on blood sugar. Diabetes, heart disease, and other serious health problems can be caused by high blood sugar. It has been shown that black seeds lower blood sugar and make the body more sensitive to insulin. Because of this, they are a great natural way to treat diabetes and other diseases connected to high blood sugar. Helps you lose weight. Are you sick of those extra pounds that just won't go away? Black seeds might be useful. Studies show that eating black seeds every day can lower the body mass index, the size of the waist, and the total body weight. This could be because black seeds have a lot of fiber. Fiber helps you feel full for longer, so you eat less. Helps the brain work better. There are important oils in black seeds that help improve the way the brain works, how well it thinks, and how well it remembers things. They also help stop the buildup of plaques in the brain, which can lead to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. If you eat black seeds every day, you can keep your brain healthy and avoid the mental loss that comes with getting older. Cuts down on inflammation. Inflammation is one of the main reasons of many long-term diseases, like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. It has been shown that the thymoquinone in black seeds has powerful anti-inflammatory qualities that reduce inflammation all over the body. If you eat black seeds every day, they can help stop inflammation and improve your general health. Helps the liver do its job well. The liver is a very important organ that cleans the blood, makes bile, and stores important nutrients. Researchers have found that black seeds protect the liver from toxins and diseases by making the liver less sensitive to them. Because of this, they are a great natural way to help the liver work well. It helps with allergies. If you have seasonal allergies, black seeds could save your life. They contain a chemical called nigellone, which has antihistamine qualities that make allergic reactions like hay fever less severe. If you have allergy problems, eating black seeds every day can help a lot. Battles cancer. Last but not least, black seeds might help avoid and fight cancer. The thymoquinone in black seeds has been shown to fight cancer very well, and may help stop cancer cells from growing. Even though more study needs to be done, eating black seeds every day may be a great natural way to fight cancer and improve health in general. Here are the top 10 things that happen when you eat black seeds every day. We hope you had fun watching this movie and learned something new about how great black seeds are for your health. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.